Okay, there it goes. Okay, Kevin, you want to play with me? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, that sounds awesome. Okay. Gotta go to the airport. I have a car that's going to the airport. I wonder what your car's gonna do.
Yes.
Is your car gonna come to the airport too? Oh, good. I better get my luggage. Better get my luggage and put it in the thing. Better put my luggage up. Oh, there goes the luggage. Oh, I think I'm supposed to drive around here and put my luggage on there. Uh-oh. Oh, I need to put my luggage on. Wonder where your luggage is. Kevin, do you have some luggage? Are you going to put it on? Can you put your luggage on? Oh, it's got to go on the baggage thing first. Oh, no. Are you going to put it on?
Yes.
Okay. There's your luggage. Put it on there. Oh, there's your luggage. They'll come and get it. Now we have to put it on the plane. Let's get our luggage. Let's put it on the plane. There's yours, Sally. We gotta get our luggage. There's mine. Let's go get on the plane, Sally. Oh, let's get our luggage. Oh, let's get my luggage too. Oh, let's get on the plane. Let's put our luggage on the plane. What a good baggage guy to put our luggage on the plane. Now let's get on. Can't get her to sit up in there. Oh, look, it's a friend. Can I sit by you? Here comes Grandma. Are we ready to take off?
Yes.
Okay, we ready?
Yes.
You want to make it take off?
Yes.
Okay, you do it. Good job. Good job. What's going to come back in for a landing? What's it going to do now? Oh, okay, it's going to land. Oh, it's going to land right there on that. Oh, I like where it landed. Now what does it need to do?
Open.
Okay. All the people are going to get off. I think their baggage needs to go somewhere. Where does the luggage go? Where does the luggage go? Cool. Thank you for playing with me, Kevin. I had fun. I had fun.
supposed to do.
Okay. Put all the people back in the basket. And the luggage.